Hi everyone, Chris here. This is my 2024 Honda Transalp, and today I'm sharing the number one most important thing I learned after 2 days of intense adventure training. As you can see, the bike is mostly stock, but I've dialed in the essentials. Crash bars, a heavy-duty skid plate, handguards, and of course, a solid set of off-road tires. If you want a bike that masters long-distance touring and technical trails in one package, this is the bike. Plus, at around 200 kilograms, it's light enough to manhandle back up when things get sideways. This is the Mitas Enduro Trail XT Plus. It's an 80/20 off-road biased tire. This is the standard version, not the Dakar, so the carcass is a bit softer. During training, I dropped the rear pressure from 2.5 down to 1.8 bar. For the front, I dropped the pressure from 2.2 down to 1.9 bar to get a better contact patch. Pro tip time. The factory gravel mode is honestly useless for real off-roading. It keeps the engine braking too high, the torque control too intrusive, and the ABS locked on both wheels. My solution? Use user mode instead. Here's my go-to setup to fix those issues. Engine braking. Set it to the lowest level. This keeps the bike stable and stops it from jerking every time you accidentally twitch the throttle while moving your body. Torque control. This is the real deal breaker. Kill it completely. You need full power to blast through deep sand without the electronics cutting your momentum. You'll see the dash indicator pop up to confirm it's off. ABS. Kill the ABS on the rear for total control and braking efficiency. You'll get another indicator on the dash for this as well. These tweaks make the bike way more capable. The only headache? Every time you cycle the ignition, the legal team wins and resets your TC and ABS. You'll have to dive back into the menu on every restart, but with time, you'll learn to do it in seconds. I hope you guys found these tips helpful. I'm going to leave you with the best highlights from my training and a full POV lap of the course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.